Now बचे fourth point EEG. What is the meaning of EEG? The EEG, the electroencephalogram, is used to take record of the activities of the brain. It is used to take record of the activities of the brain. Small receptors are attached to the brain. These receive the brain impulses and display them on the screen. Next one is fifth, blood sugar monitor. But this one is blood sugar monitor and this one is blood pressure monitor. By taking a blood of sample, it is possible to study the blood glucose levels in blood. The monitor displays the value as a number expressed in mg per deciliter. Next one is sixth, blood pressure monitor. The machine is attached to the body. The hand pad gets filled with air on turning the machine on. After that, the pressure gradually drops and the systolic and diastolic pressures are measured by the machine. This one is bache. Now IT in marketing. In marketing, how we use IT, why we use IT in marketing of products. Advertisements play a key role. The advertisements are made and synthetic elements are added to the ad using the IT tools. Also, companies market their products by displaying ads on popular websites like Google, Quora, Yahoo, Gmail, news websites, and many more such examples. Moreover, the goods can be sold by showing them up on the e-commerce websites and selling them to customers. Next is IT in insurance. Insurance companies are sophisticated means limited bache. Insurance companies are sophisticated software to decide the price and conditions of a policy. Policy means insurance policy. When a set of conditions are decided to describe the policy conditions, the price is decided only after some algorithms are run. Specialized in this matter are known as actuarial scientists. Actuarial scientists have good knowledge base of changes and expected values of mathematical events. Next is bache IT in workplace. In the urban areas of the country, computer is a must have in offices. Lots of work like sending, receiving emails, sending, receiving fax, video, teleconferencing, maintaining shared matter, updating your work in office, repositories are just some of the various uses of IT in offices. IT in business. Business has a lot to do the provisions for money transaction in recent times have been taken to a different level due to IT. Business transactions can now be done online between two people sitting very far apart. But additionally, debit and credit cards are provided by banks to its customers using which money can be paid. These cards have either a magnetic strip or more recently have a chip attached for enhanced security of the debit cards. You can also use internet banking instead of cards for any online transactions. Next, last one is IT in entertainment. Kids entertainment. Kids entertain themselves by watching cartoon characters on the television. Lots of the movies in theaters also have visual effects added to them using computer. These effects make the movies magnificent to watch. Cartoon movies are not all computer work. The initial drawing work is done by the cartoon artist. Thereafter, various artificial effects not possible in real is added by various video effects tools. Moreover, the marketing of the movies also requires that the contents be carefully editing and marketable trailers of the movies are made. Movies like Jurassic Park, Avatar, Spider-Man, Avengers and movies of this kind have a lot of graphic input in them. IT in communication. There is no communication device like the computer, especially if the mobile devices be considered as computers. Even otherwise, computers are capable of doing tele and video conferencing, and chat software abound on many computers. Even email communication is easier on a computer. But if you want to communicate with other person using email, then you use computers, IT in e-governance and public service. Digital India and e-governance initiatives of the government have helped many government services to be online. Linking of PAN card to bank account, collection of taxes, processes of documents like license, passports, voter cards, e-filing of income tax returns, etc. Bhim Bharat interface for money, My Government, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan app are some examples of apps launched by Government of India. IT in science and engineering. Many of the science and engineering work is being helped by the IT infrastructure. For example, many of the physics experiments can be shown by computer visualization of the activities. That helps to understand. Even in maths, many of the operations or numbers can be shown to happen in front of you by using animation. Cars many years ago used to purely analog. Now cars have significant amount of computer technology within them. In civil engineering, many of the buildings and industrial and many of the buildings and structural designs can first be made on a software, and if approved can be built and made use of. There is almost nothing that the ever-growing tentacles of computer science cannot bring under grasp. Now बच्चे section 2 completed. Session 3 IT enabled services of India.